Here, you want your yogurt? Ooh, good boy. There you go. Grape nuts and yogurt. We love it. It helps keep you strong, so you can stand on one foot and balance yourself while you eat. That spoon's as big as you are, Sundance. Does that taste good? Mmm. Very good. Mmm. What do you see? What is that? Good boy. I love my yogurt and grape nuts. I love my yogurt and grape nuts. Is that good? Yeah, get it all. Get every bit of it. Ooh, is that good? You have your vitamins in it? Yeah. Very good. I'll give you some more tomorrow. Okay. Bye-bye.